Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are going to be checking out a beauty subscription box. Now this beauty box is called the Klever beauty box, and inside you're going to receive lots of different beauty products every single month. So this is a monthly subscription. It retails for about $29 a month, and inside you will have full-size beauty products. Now originally when they created this box they were only featuring makeup, but the last 2 months I have had skincare in my boxes, so I do think they've changed that. I don't think this is a makeup only box anymore. It is now makeup and skincare, which isn't a bad thing, but I'm just gonna label this as a beauty box and not a makeup only box now, only because I've seen those changes now. This box, if you're interested in it, I will be posting a link down below, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside of our Klever beauty box. Now just keep in mind, this beauty box, for whatever reason, tends to be very controversial every time I post it. I try to post a variety of subscription boxes out there on the market because I'm trying to find a box for everyone. That is my goal for 2024. This may not be your box, and that's okay because I have plenty of other boxes to choose from. So just know that if you watch this and you're like, I don't really like these items, it may not be your box, but that doesn't mean it's not a box for somebody else. So I do have that link down below, and I also have a discount code. So if you guys are interested, I've got all of that posted and you can get your Klever beauty box. Oh, this is new. So I have with me the April box, and this is normally what it looks like. I open it up, it's wrapped in tissue paper. It's very cute for presentation, but I have a booklet, you guys. I did not know this was changing. Now, I've never had a booklet up until now, and I love this. So it does show the Klever beauty box, and then it says April down here. I like this change a lot. So inside it shows 8 items that are included in this beauty box. And let's see here. It tells us about the products, what's inside of them, but it does not give price points on any of these, but that's okay. But still, 8 items inside of this beauty box, that's great. And everything that they show on the card is in the box. So first item inside of our box today is from July Star. This is the Blush Glow Kit. So it looks like we have 6 blushes inside of this compact. They also include the manufacturing dates on all of the boxes as well, which I really like. So you know you're not getting old products. The other great thing is every single item that I'm going to show you guys in this box is guaranteed to be cruelty free. So they will not allow products to be in this box unless they are cruelty free. So here is what your blushes will look like, which I like the shade range. You've got a little bit to work with. I do think this color might be really pretty on this winter. I think I'm going to stick with more colors like this though, just for spring and summer, but a darker red is sometimes really pretty. So in my little booklet here, it says this is a versatile range of blushes. They had 2 different compacts available. So this is the one that I received, but the other compact is actually all pink tones. So this one has more of the variety down here on that bottom row. And it says that these are great for high pigment and long-lasting flushes of color. This will give you everything from a natural glow to a dramatic evening look. And you can take it with you because it's compact in design. Next up, we have a primer. And this primer is a pore eraser, it says. So this will not only lock your makeup in place, but it's also supposed to erase those pores or any fine lines or wrinkles that you might have. Usually these will help to blur your skin. So if you do have any like camera or photography or anything happening that day, blurring primers are great because they will kind of blur that texture and make it look a little bit more smooth then. So this is our full-size primer. I also have a palette inside of the box. This is the Retro Eyeshadow Palette, and it's called the My Favorite Melodies Eyeshadow Palette. So this is what it looks like. We've got our record here, and it does state that it's cruelty-free here on the back as well. And you open it from the side. It's kind of cute how it comes open over here. So I'll go ahead and take this sticker off. So this does not come off very well, I will say that. So inside of our palette, we do have a mirror up here at the top, and it's got kind of that record shape again. And then down below will be our 9 eyeshadows. So I like the colors here. I do think they work well together, but I'm definitely getting fall vibes. And I don't know if it's because I'm seeing the orange in the center, but I feel like these cranberry tones are also very warm, very fall oriented. This is a palette that I will use. I can see myself working with this, but I just think I would want to wait till fall time. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't feel very spring or summery, but I do think it's a nice eyeshadow palette. My next item is a matte finish. This is a lightweight, ultra refined powder that will help to set your makeup in place. So this is what it looks like here in the box. And then we'll go ahead and pull this out. Now it does say the shade number is number 4, but usually with powders, there's not a lot of color with them. They typically seem to be very translucent with just maybe a touch of color for correcting. So this is what it will look like here in the package. And then, oh, this is different. Look at that. So there's your little applicator. Oh, please open this tab slowly to prevent powder from spilling everywhere. So this is your little applicator. You'll remove this, and then you're gonna reach down in and pull it out and then press it. That's different. I don't think this is a better design than the other powders I've seen, because you have to, I mean, it's fairly deep here. You have to really go in, and I do feel like it's a bit awkward, but I like the idea at least that it won't make a mess. We also have a lip oil in the box. This is from Hello Kiss, and it is cherry oil infused. Ooh, does it have a cherry tint? Or does it smell like cherries? Because that would be great. So full-size product here, and I'm guessing it's not the tint. It must be the smell, because it looks like it's just a clear lip oil that we have. But I'm going to do a swatch. I want to smell this and see. Am I weird that I want to smell my lip oils? Oh, I don't get cherry at all. Maybe it's just cherry essence added? You know what's weird is I feel like I'm getting peppermint, but let me swatch this and see. Now, it is so smooth. It is not sticky at all, and gorgeous shine. It is just clear, but it's really nice. But I feel like I'm getting a touch of peppermint. Yeah, it's minty. Maybe not as strong as peppermint. Peppermint can be a really strong, like, crisp scent. This is not as strong, but it is mint. It smells good, though. I do like it. Like, I like it well enough that I will wear it. I do think it's got great color and a great scent to it. So, yeah, I like it. We also have a liquid blush in the box. So if you're not into the powder blush palette that they sent, they've also got you covered with the liquid one. This is a Velvet Mousse liquid blush, and we have shade number 2. So let's go ahead and take a look at our blush. Is it this color? I like the bubblegum pink. See, this gives me spring, summer vibes. The palette, again, it's too deep for right now. I like it, but it's just too deep at the moment. But I like this color. So we're going to go ahead and do a swatch down here. Oh, this is a little bit more peach-like than what I was expecting. But it's still really pretty. So it's a good cross between pink and peach. And I do think it's still perfect for spring and summer. It is a blush. So typically you're going to want to brush the blush out to really give it a fleshed look. But I think this is nice. I like the pigment a lot. I like this box, you guys. Like, so far, everything in here, I'm like, okay, I could use this. I like where this is going. Like, I'm very happy with this. Also, do you see how many items are in here? Because I'm going on to my next item, and I still have one more to go. So there's a lot of products in this box. So this next item is a sunscreen, and it's lightweight, and it says that it's SPF 50, 30 mil or 1 ounce. It does seem small for a sunscreen, but they do say on the website that everything is supposed to be full size in this box. So I'm just going to believe them and say this is a full size product. But it is SPF 50, and it says that it features flower extracts inside of this, and it is a lotion texture that is non-greasy and it's going to protect your skin. It also features rice protein inside of this. And the last item inside of our box today is another box. This is the Master Eyelash and Eyeliner Duo. So it is a waterproof mascara and liner in this box. So I like that you get 2 products in here. This is what they will look like here. And your liner and mascara both are going to be black. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. That way we can look at the wand real quick here. So this is our black mascara to start with. Really fuzzy applicator. I like that it's thick, but it looks like it's going to coat your lashes really well because there's several different bristles on there. So that looks promising. And then the black eyeliner is, oh, it's felt tip too. So this is what your felt tip liner will look like here. I like it. Honestly, I kind of like that you get 2 for 1 because it's a duo. I love getting extra products. So that is everything inside of the Klever Beauty box for April. We have a total of 8 items inside of the box. However, if you count this as 2 products, then it would be 9 items in your box. So I think that's really good considering this is less than $30 a month for the box. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this box. I always feel like you receive a lot of products in here for that price point, and it's also a bit of the convenience factor. The fact that you do not have to go out looking for cruelty-free brands, looking for full-size products, you're saving that time by them doing it for you, and then you're getting multiple products a month for that $29 price point. So I also like that there is a convenience aspect to this, but I do think you get a little bit of everything in here. We've got our sunscreen, we've got a primer, we have lip products, blush, eyeshadow, we had mascara in here. What else am I missing? Is that everything? Oh, we also had the powder to help set everything in as well. So I like that there is a little bit of everything in terms of what you're receiving too. So if you are interested in purchasing this subscription, I do have that link down below for you guys along with that discount code, and it will save you some money off of your first box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!